What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best commercial carpet cleaning machine in 2023. Through the comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for the best affordable carpet cleaner, the best carpet cleaner money can buy, or anything in between, and you'll know exactly the best product for you by the end of this video. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Our ranking the 5th product, it's the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home or even take it on the go. The 4-foot hose provides decent reach, allowing you to clean those hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the 15-foot power cord gives you enough flexibility to move around without constantly unplugging and re-plugging the device. The Bissell Little Green Cleaner is designed to remove spots and stains from various surfaces. Whether it's carpets, upholstery, or even car interiors, this machine tackles tough messes with ease. The strong spray and suction power make quick work of pet stains and other stubborn spills. It's definitely impressive how it lifts away messes effectively. One thing I really appreciate about this cleaner is its large tank capacity. With a 48 ounces tank, you can clean more before needing to refill. This is especially convenient if you have a larger area to clean or if you're dealing with particularly stubborn stains. It saves you time and effort. The Bissell Little Green Cleaner. In the box, you'll find a 3-inch tough stain tool, perfect for targeting specific areas. There's also the HydroRinse self-cleaning hose tool, which makes cleaning the hose a breeze. And as a bonus, you get an 8 ounces trial-size spot and stain formula with Febreze freshness. It's great that they include everything you need to get started right away. Lastly, I want to highlight Bissell's partnership with the Bissell Pet Foundation. Every purchase of this product supports their mission to save homeless pets. It's heartwarming to know that your purchase is making a difference. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a reliable and efficient cleaning tool. Its compact design, strong spray and suction power, and large tank capacity make it a great option for tackling spots and stains. The included tools and formula are a nice touch, and the fact that your purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation is a definite bonus. If you're in need of a versatile and effective cleaner, I highly recommend giving the Bissell Little Green a try. If you're tired of the hassle and guesswork of traditional carpet cleaning, the Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner might just be the solution you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk about the automatic cleaning technology of the Hoover Smartwash. With this machine, all you need to do is push forward to clean and pull back to dry. No more complicated triggers or buttons to worry about. It's incredibly easy and intuitive to use. The Auto Clean motion sensing design eliminates the guesswork. You don't have to worry about figuring out the right time to dispense the solution or when to start drying. The machine automatically adjusts and does the work for you, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. Another great feature is the Auto Mix function. The Hoover Smartwash precisely mixes and dispenses the cleaning solution for the cleanest results. You can trust that the solution is perfectly measured and distributed, providing optimal cleaning power. When it comes to drying, the Hoover Smartwash doesn't disappoint. The powerful extraction feature effectively removes water and dirt from your carpets, while the Heat Force technology helps dry the floors faster. Say goodbye to long drying times. But what sets this carpet cleaner apart is its FlexForce power brushes. These brushes are designed to be tough on grime and gentle on floors. They can effortlessly remove deep dirt, debris, and even pesky pet messes. Your carpets will be left looking and feeling fresh. In addition to the amazing features, the Hoover Smartwash comes with a 2-in-1 pet tool, a stair tool, a sample bottle of cleaning solution, a 12-featuring hose, and an accessory storage bag. You'll have everything you need to tackle upholstery, stairs, and even those hard-to-reach areas. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. Its automatic cleaning technology, intuitive design, precise auto mixing, powerful extraction, gentle FlexForce power brushes, and the included accessories make it a top choice for hassle-free and effective carpet cleaning. If you're looking to simplify your cleaning routine, I highly recommend giving the Hoover Smartwash a try. If you're dealing with stubborn pet messes, dirt, and grime on your carpets, this Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 commercial carpet cleaner might just be the solution you need. First off, let's talk about its one-pass cleaning system. This means that with a single pass, the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 sprays, scrubs, and extracts embedded pet messes, dirt, grime, filth, and odors, giving you professional-grade results. Say goodbye to repeated cleaning efforts. The Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 features powerful jets that inject cleaning solution deep into the carpet fibers. This effectively breaks down embedded dirt, grime, stains, and odors, leaving your carpets fresh and rejuvenated. But what sets this carpet cleaner apart is its triple-action vibrating brush. This innovative brush scrubs all sides of each carpet fiber, releasing embedded dirt, stains, and odors that other commercial and deep cleaning machines may miss. It's like having a professional carpet cleaner right in your home. Now let's talk about the extraction power. The Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 is equipped with an enhanced vacuum motor that provides pro-grade suction power. This means it effectively removes embedded dirt, stains, and odors, leaving your carpets cleaner and fresher. Additionally, the powerful suction aids in faster drying times, allowing you to get back to your daily routine in no time. It's also worth mentioning that the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 has been awarded the Gold rating by the Carpet and Rug Institute. This prestigious recognition is given for its outstanding performance in soil removal, water removal, and gentleness on carpets. You can trust that this machine will deliver exceptional results. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 commercial carpet cleaner. Its one-pass cleaning system, powerful spraying action, triple-action vibrating brush, enhanced extraction capabilities, and the Gold rating make it a top choice for home, industrial, and commercial use. If you're looking for a reliable and effective carpet cleaning solution, I highly recommend giving the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 a try. If you're tired of struggling with dirty carpets and upholstery, this lightweight carpet shampooer might just be the solution you've been looking for. The Tineco Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner Machine. First off, let's talk about suction power. With its impressive 1300W motor, the Tineco Carpet One delivers a whopping 130 R of suction power. This means it can easily tackle deeply embedded dirt, stains, and even carpet odors, leaving your carpets fresh and clean. But what sets this carpet cleaner apart is its heated wash technology. The built-in PTC heater and temperature controller ensure that the water stays at a precise 104 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for faster stain removal and a rejuvenated carpet after each wash. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. Now let's talk about quick drying. The Tineco Carpet One features a special dry-only mode that uses a 167 degrees Fahrenheit wind to dry your carpets faster. The integrated dryness meter on the LED display screen keeps you informed about the carpet's state of dryness. Please note, drying times may vary depending on environmental conditions. Another impressive feature is the smart sensing technology. The Tineco Carpet One comes equipped with the iLoop Smart Dust Sensor. It detects the level of dirtiness on your carpets and adjusts the suction power and water flow accordingly. The LED display screen shows you the real-time status, making your cleaning process more effective and efficient. But wait, there's more. The Tineco Carpet One is not just for carpets. With the additional hose and stain remover tool, you can easily clean upholstery, carpeted stairs, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas. Even stubborn stains don't stand a chance against this versatile machine. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Tineco Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner Machine. Its high-power suction, heated wash technology, quick drying capabilities, smart sensing features, and spot cleaner functionality make it a game-changer in carpet cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly carpet cleaner, I highly recommend giving the Tineco Carpet One a try. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. Now before we jump in, I want to mention that every purchase of this product actually supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to saving homeless pets. How awesome is that? Now let's talk about performance. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a beast when it comes to cleaning. It outcleans the leading rental options, giving you professional-grade results in the comfort of your own home. With its 12-amp power rating, you can trust it to tackle even the toughest stains and embedded dirt. One of the standout features of this carpet cleaner is the XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush. With its 8 rows of bristles, it effortlessly penetrates deep into the carpet fibers, loosening and lifting all that embedded dirt. It's like a spa treatment for your carpets. But the Bissell Big Green doesn't stop at carpets. It comes with a 9-foot-long reach hose and a 6-inch tough stain tool, making it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and those hard-to-reach areas. No more struggling to keep your home spotless. To get the best results, I highly recommend using the Bissell Pro Max Clean with Protect formula. It's specially designed to tackle tough, ground-in dirt and stains, giving your carpets that fresh and rejuvenated look. Now let's talk convenience. The Bissell Big Green comes with 2 large tanks, allowing you to keep the clean and dirty water separate while cleaning. Plus, the adjustable handle lets you select the height that's most comfortable for you, so no more backaches while tackling your cleaning chores. And don't worry about limited mobility. The 25-foot power cord provides you with extra reach and easy maneuverability. You can clean larger areas without constantly searching for a new power outlet. Now let's put the Bissell Big Green to the test. Based on independent testing using ASTM F2828, this carpet cleaner, with the Bissell Oxy multipurpose formula, outperforms the Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 with their top-selling formula. That speaks volumes about its cleaning capabilities. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a true game-changer when it comes to keeping your carpets fresh and clean. With its powerful performance, convenience features, and support for the Bissell Pet Foundation. So that wraps up our list of the best commercial carpet cleaners. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as always. I appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which carpet cleaner you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Until next time, see you guys later.